High traffic exposure. Stylish first floor office could be handicap accessible if a ramp was installed. Open floor plan at entry, private office with pocket doors and storage closet. Bonus room that could be an additional office or built out as a break room west/kitchen, plumbing and wall, and private powder room. Front entry in just one step up and in. All parking in the front of building is for the business. There is also a back entry door with parking for the owner-occupied third floor and second floor tenant with room for first floor tenant and employee to park. This property backs to a pond and will soon be overlooking township green space as the area is under a redevelopment. Great exposure in a high traffic area. Located across the street for the welcoming center to Lake Hopatcong. Walk to nearby downtown restaurants and local attractions. This location is a main artery for access into several towns, giving fantastic exposure for a local business. Move-in ready. Additionally, the second floor condo/apt is available for $2,000 a month, most $377,437.9. Charming great room with stone fireplace, vaulted ceiling, craftsman design. Spacious 2-bedroom, 1 full bath, dining room/bonus room, kitchen.